Wanting to buy a boat but concerned about the expenses, maintenance, upkeep, and not sure how much time you'll have to use it? Windward SeaVenture's charter management program may be just what you're looking for. Keep your boat ready to sail. With Windward SeaVenture's management program, your vessel will be kept clean, serviced, and maintained.
The thing that I have enjoyed the most about being in charter is that I just come down and sail.
Having your boat in Windward SeaVenture charter program allows you to establish your boat as a business, giving you many tax advantages.
And consequently made all of my boat expenses deductible. And then secondly, they allowed me to amortize the boat itself, the purchase of the boat itself, which I did all the way down to zero.
So if you're thinking about buying that dream boat but are having reservations about the upkeep and expenses, Windward SeaVenture's charter management program might be for you. Give us a call at 281-467-2279 or go to windwardseaventure.com for details.